Please forgive me, Radha. I had promised you that both of us would take care of Gungun. But I couldn't fulfill my promise. Today, Damini tried to kill my daughter and yet I couldn't do anything.
What happened yesterday was just a practice run. The real game will be played today.
Yes, Rahul, I know Mohan made a mistake by suspecting you. I thought your hatred for Mohan would never be able to overcome your love for Gungun. And Rahul, what happened here was all because of Damini, I'm sure.
Is the package ready?
It is ready.
Great.
In 10 minutes, the bus will reach its destination. I will set the timer and leave.
Take all the photos you want. From now onwards, you can use them to remember Gungun.
What are you doing with the wrench? Cleaning?
Sir, because I used to be a mechanic. That's why I always carry a wrench with me. A screw below the seat was loose, so I was trying to tighten it.
Do you have a screw loose below the seat? How could the school send such a horrible bus? How will the kids go to school in this bus? Is this a joke? How can you? This bus is a trash can. How can the kids take this bus? I will call the school and tell them to change the bus.
No, Mohan. The kids are already late for the competition. How can they send another bus?
No, please don't let Gungun go.
Slowly.
Sir, it's done. Only one screw was loose. Everything else is fine, sir. It's done, sir.
Are you feeling better now?
No, I'm not fine. And I don't think I can go with the kids.
And what about you, ma'am?
How can we go without the teachers?
Why are you worried? I'm here. I will accompany all of you to school.
Yes, Mohan, you should go with Gungun. If you accompany her, then I won't be worried. I know you won't let anything happen to Gungun.
No, Mohan, you cannot go.
Why?
Because, Mohan, the wedding rituals have begun. We have applied the turmeric paste. You have applied the turmeric paste. And the bride and groom cannot leave the house after the ritual. Am I right, Mother?
Yes, Mohan. Damini is absolutely right. It is a bad omen to leave the house after the haldi ceremony.
Then who will go with the kids? They are going to another school, plus it is quite far. Should I go with Gungun? What if Damini erases the evidence of the accident in my absence? No, I have to stay here. But how can I leave Gungun alone?
Look, Radha, don't worry about it. I'll take the kids safely with me.
Uncle, I have faith in you. But you are alone. How will you handle so many kids? It won't be easy to take care of so many kids alone, Uncle. And you have to go to another school. They won't let you enter without a teacher.
Radha, why don't you come with us? We'll have a lot of fun.
No, Radha cannot go.
Mohan can't go, Radha can go. What is your problem?
I don't understand why is Damini doing all this? What is her evil mind thinking?
Why won't this bomb activate? I will be in trouble if it doesn't.
Look, it's a singing competition. You will have to fill up forms in English. How will she...
That's the problem.
I mean, Mohan, she will get confused. Why is this man taking too long to activate the bomb? Is he also trapped?
I need to connect this wire. I got it now.
Fine, I will go with the kids.
Ketki, are you sure?
Yes, Mohan. Anyway, some people don't want to see me here.
Did you two have a fight or something like that?
Let it be, Mom. I will go with the kids.
That's a breaking news, isn't it?
What?
Finally, the impossible thing has happened today. Rahul and Ketki had a fight.
Mohan,
Mom, what's a fact is a fact.
stop it.
Ketki, are you sure you will be able to look after all these kids?
Yes, Radha, don't worry. I will manage.
But Ketki,
Radha, I said I will manage, right?
It seems Ketki will also lose her life with Gungun today.
I don't feel like leaving Gungun alone. But if I go with her, how will I gather proof?
Why is he taking so long?
Come, my dear. Now you are ready to explode.
If the kids are done, then they should leave. Come on, you are running late.
They have been facing so many obstacles. This is not a good sign. Gungun, please stop. Don't go anywhere. Please, please pay heed to me once. Don't go.
Gungun is going to do some good work, so I'll break this coconut to wish her luck.
Oh gosh, what are you doing? Did it not break?
Radha, be careful. This is the third time and the coconut should break this time. Or else it will be a bad omen.
She is a priest's daughter. She will surely break it.
Mohan.
Radha and Mohan together are always a hit.
Just a second, listen. Why on the bus have you put a banner of a school picnic? The kids are going to a singing competition.
Moron.
Yes, sir. Actually, Diwali is around the corner, so all the picnic festivals are scheduled back to back. That's why I put up these banners.
Oh Lord Krishna, I'm really scared. And you are scaring me even more by giving this bad sign. I think I should not let Gungun go alone.
The Lord is giving us several signs. Radha, please stop Gungun. Don't let her go. Rahul, listen to me. We both have grown up together, yet we never had a fight. But have you thought that ever since you befriended Damini, we started having disagreements? Do think over it, Rahul. Radha, please stop Gungun. Don't let her go. Something untoward is going to happen. Please stop her. Please, Radha, understand Lord Krishna's sign and stop Gungun from leaving.
Thank gosh Radha is not going. She has made a record of saving Gungun from all the problems every now and then. Bye Gungun, all the best.
Radha?
What are you doing? What's wrong with you?
Mohan, I will also go with Gungun.
Why?
Mohan, Ketke is going alone. How will she be able to take care of so many kids? If I'll go with her, I'll help her. So I'll go with her.
Radha, you?
Radha, at least you understood that you shouldn't leave Gungun alone. Thank you, Radha. But now, you have to take care of Gungun and yourself too.
Okay, what can I say now?
Go, Radha.
You may go.
Bye.
Hey, mister, please drive the bus carefully. You work at the school, right? You should be on the bus, then where are you going?
Yes, sir. I am not going anywhere. I was just checking the air pressure in the tires. It's a long journey after all. What if there is a problem, sir?
You seem to be the problem. First it was the screw problem, now the tire. What's going on? Will you go and check now or just stand here?
Yes, sir. I'll just go and check.
What happened, Mohan?
Radha, don't you think he's quite weird? Now I think something is fishy.
Mohan, he is not weird. You are acting weirdly.
You're calling me weird and crazy.
Mohan, when did I say that? I'm just saying that you seem a little disturbed after what happened yesterday. That's why you have been suspecting everyone. You are suspecting each and everything. But you don't worry. I am with Gungun.
Okay, you take care of her, please.
Yes.
And yourself too. And what you just told me that I am crazy. Not nice.
Mohan, I said I didn't call you crazy. Why would I call you crazy? I'm saying that you are really sensible. You are intelligent, decent, and mightiest of all.
What do you mean? Have I gained a lot of weight?
I mean...
Then what?
I mean, it was a slip of a tongue.
I have to get scolded by Lord Krishna for calling you crazy. Do you think that? I didn't call you that. I'll go now.
Yeah, go on. Good luck.
Thank you.
I mean, best of luck.
Okay.
Bye! Hey, are you done?
Yes.
Get in then. Come on.
Yes, sir. It's done, sir.
The kids are running late. Get in.
I am stuck. I'll have to hop onto this bus with a bomb now.
He's so strange. Okay, bye.
Why does Radha create obstacles for me every time? She went with Gungun again. I will have to change my plan now. And I will surely win this time.
What are you saying?
Mohan,
What happened? Why are you so nervous?
Look, she got stuck in her own plan. Make more plans without your mother, Damini. Had you included me into this plan, you wouldn't have got stuck like this.
No, I was saying that Gungun would win. She will surely win. Others will definitely lose.
Of course, Gungun will win. That's for sure.
If Radha has accompanied Gungun, it means Gungun can survive. And I can't let that happen. I will have to talk to that person and change the plan for sure. I hope he doesn't mess up. You scared me, Mom.
The way Tulsi had thrashed you yesterday, I'm sure you're definitely up to something. But you're not telling me about it. Tell me, what are you up to now?
I am not up to anything. And why don't you understand this one time? You know that I just want to marry Mohan. And I will marry him at all cost. Got it?
She got so upset with me. That means definitely she is hiding something from me. But what?
After what I did to her yesterday, I'm sure she won't do anything. But I don't know why I can't convince myself. Radha is also with Gungun, but I wonder why I'm feeling so scared. Hey Lord Krishna, please take care of Radha and Gungun. In the meantime, I will do Radha's work. I will collect evidence against Damini.
Why do I only come across duffers? Others have such people in life who make their plans successful. But I have such people in my life who precisely ruin my plans all the time. He got onto the bus on which he's planted a bomb. Couldn't he think of anything else, duffer?
What? What if I die in the explosion too?
If Radha finds out about the bomb, she will tell Mohan about it, and then Mohan will throw me out of his life for sure. Darn it. What if all my fears come true?
Damini? What are you afraid of? What should not happen?
Aunt, actually, these days I am afraid of everything. Ever since Mohan and my marriage was fixed, there have been non-stop problems. You saw what happened at the Haldi ceremony and the puja. So I am afraid of something might go wrong at today's feast for Brahmins.
The feast for Brahmins has been arranged today to allay all your fears and to stave off all the troubles before the wedding.
I am going to stave off the biggest trouble myself, Aunt. But I hope nothing obstructs my plan.
Damini, please bring the kurtas that we ordered for the Brahmins. Damini? Damini, are you worried about something?
No. Did you need anything?
Yes, Never mind. I'll ask Dulari for it.
Okay. Gungun can't be so lucky that Radha would save her from death every time. This time, Radha will also die along with Gungun.
Why Damini looks so stressed?
Mohan! Mohan!
Mohan! Get us out of here!
Is anyone here? Mohan!
Last night, my life's biggest fear was about to come true, Tulsi. Everyone says I can't even take care of myself. But you left me all alone to raise a little girl. Yesterday, if Radha had not helped me save Gungun, and if something had happened to Gungun, I would have been irrevocably shattered.
What should I do? How do I get out of this bus?
Gungun. Is she your new mom? She is not.
No,
but...
No, I'm not Gungun's new mother. She is someone else.
Oh no! I also get sad when I'm reminded of this. But then I remember something. And then I become happy again.
What do you remember?
That I always get what I want.
Gungun.
I hope Pratap doesn't make a mistake out of nervousness because Radha is very cunning. It's as if she had antenna. She's always so alert. If anything goes wrong, then she will surely catch me.
Damini, where are you going with the laptop?
I have some office-related work. Tell me, do you need anything from me?
I'm sorry, Damini. I believed Ketki and doubted you yesterday. But you know Ketki's nature and she...
Yes, but I'm not sure about your nature and what exactly is going in your mind. Are you on her side or mine?
Damini, of course I'm your side. We are partners, right?
Partners? Rahul, are you with Damini?
I know what kind of partner you are, and I don't think this partnership will last for long.
Look, Damini, if you want to get back at your enemy, you'll have to trust your friend.
How do I make him leave? I hope Pratap doesn't make a mistake there.
Think about it, Damini. We may not have anything else in common, but we do have a common enemy. And the person is none other than Radha. Our goal is the same too. To put Radha in her place and make her leave this house.
Moron, I want to make Radha leave this world, but you wouldn't let me do it.
What are you saying, Rahul? Look, Damini is only using you against your own family. Please don't let her succeed.
Actually, I have to send some urgent mails and there is no Wi-Fi connectivity here. I am going
Hey, I'll
out.
give you a hotspot.
No, that's not needed. Hello, Mr. Sharma.
Hey,
I'll send you the mails in a couple of minutes.
Who is calling? Damini, and why was she so scared as she walked out? What is going on in her mind?
Gungun is so lucky that you are her best friend. You are so caring. Even my mom doesn't care about me. Come on, Isha, don't be sad.
Gungun, why did she say that about her own mother?
Isha's mom doesn't have time for her. She can't even attend parent-teacher meetings. It's because she's a working woman.
Are you sad because your mom can't spend time with you? Your mom must be just as sad because she can't spend time with you. Think about it. Your mom works hard for you, right? So that you don't face any problems, go to a good school, eat good food, and wear good clothes. So you should thank your mom for working so hard for you.
Pratap, do something fast, otherwise you will die when the bomb explodes.
Hello, Mr. Sharma. I'm sending you references for the design, a photo of Lord Krishna and a tulsi leaf.
Why do I feel like she is going to do something again?
Ajit, please recheck the list of items we need for the feast for Brahmins. I'll be right back.
Who would check it if not me?
I have found a way to get Radha and Gungun out of my way for good. Why isn't he answering my calls? I hope Radha hasn't caught him.
Doesn't he know that his phone is ringing since a while? Excuse me. Your phone is ringing. Answer it. Excuse me. Your phone is ringing. Please answer it.
Dear, please go and tell him that his phone is ringing. Go, please.
Hey, get lost. Go and sit in your seat. Go.
What is this? You can't hear your phone ringing and you are scolding a child. Is this a way to talk to a child? Come on, answer me.
Ketki, calm down. Please sit. There are kids here. It's not appropriate to yell. Sit down. What's wrong with him? Why is he so nervous?
I was going out for a whole day and you didn't even say bye.
Oh, I really did. My dear Ketku, who would say it if not me?
You didn't say it. You were standing next to Rahul. Let it be. I don't want to talk to you.
Hey, Ketki, bye.
Ketki? Is everything okay?
Yes, Radha, everything is fine. You see, sometimes I choose to be a good wife.
I should offer the apple to this man and ask him why he looks so upset.
Why? Why is she coming this way? Did she see the bomb or what?
Excuse me, please have it. Have it. What happened? Are you okay? Why didn't you take the call?
Pratap, answer the phone, duffer.
Your phone is ringing again. Please answer it. Come on, talk. It could be about something important.
Has that duffer been caught? Did Radha find the bomb? What if she told everyone that I am trying to kill Gungun? No. No matter what happens, I won't let Radha fail my plan.
What were you doing, Damini?
Actually, Mother, I am working.
I heard everything.
No. You don't seem fine. I hope you didn't eat the same laddu that caused the teacher to fall sick. I will ask Ketki to call the doctor, okay?
I told you I don't need a doctor. Please go. Ma'am, this is my very first day. That's why I'm a bit stressed. Please try and understand.
Is that it?
Yes.
Just do your job. Lord Krishna will take care of the rest. Take this, please. Brother, can I say something to you? Why do I get the feeling that I have seen you before?
Not at all, madam. I came to Vrindavan from Patiala yesterday. How could you have seen me before?
Oh.
Madam, when when you mentioned Lord Krishna's name, I really felt relieved, ma'am. Do you know, when a poor man gets a job, he spends his entire life trying to keep that job. I am fine. You should go now. Look after the kids, ma'am. Please go and sit.
Yes. Lord Krishna will look after everyone.
Yes.
Have it?
What do you think, Damini? Do you think I wouldn't find out? You could keep something like this under wraps? Damini, I heard everything you said on the phone just now.
Mom, you always wanted me to marry someone. You had been asking me to get married again since years. Then why are you not happy as I am about to get married?
Don't worry. If the bomb explodes, it's fine then. All my enemies should die today for sure.
Sheelida, get married to your son Mohan, or else she will kill herself and put the entire blame on Mohan.
I hope Radha doesn't see the bomb. Otherwise, the entire plan will fail.
What fell down?
I have a very good answer to this question, Mom. You will find out everything by evening, Mom.
Hey, where are you lost? Hello, Radha?
No, Mohan. Actually, I wanted.
Hello?
What kind of behavior is this?
Hello, Radha?